2022. Annexure JC4, press statement by ABC Chairman dated 21st July 2022, stating that the three key personnel responsible for the deployment and management of elections infrastructure and that the three Venezuelans were employees of Smartmatic International BV. I also refer to the annexure JC5, press release by the Directorate of Criminal Investigations dated 23rd of July 2022, detailing the crucial election materials irregularly and illegally found in the possession of three Venezuelan nationals. Their names: Jose Gregorio Camargo Castellanos, that is one name, one person; Joel Gustavo Rodriguez Garcia; Salvador Javier Sosa Suarez. Those were the persons named in the detailed Directorate of Criminal Investigations report. My Lords and Your Ladyships, I would like to emphasize that the Directorate of Criminal Investigations is the national institution charged with the responsibility of investigating crime. Crime in relation to the Penal Code, the Elections Act, all crime. And that evidence, the statement by the DCI regarding the Venezuelans, is not a matter that can be taken lightly and wished away by the chairman of the IEBC. I will deal then with the issue of the penetration